very happy to welcome not just you, but my contestants this morning. You all are making history in a small little way because you all are the very first set doing this very first opening of the Home Chef Studio that we launched this year. So, how did this idea come about? Everybody knows what's happening in the last 2 years, not only in India, obviously the whole world. Home chefs have come into their own. Women who were just in the kitchen cooking for their family. There are women who were very good, who enjoyed cooking, thinking, can I make some business out of this? And all this has culminated into the fact that today women and also some men have become home chefs and they are actually catering out of their home kitchens, doing so well in an array of cuisine. So it's great entrepreneurship that we have seen that has happened. I welcome Kalyan, who is actually spearheading this along with my Rosina, and they have together really combined their skills to put this together. It was not easy to get the concept, to get the name, to get the logo, to do everything and fast within a few days. And then to a very small window we did it all.
It's really today a celebration of home chefs. I mean, we've had contests, we're going to have cook-offs. But like I've told our wonderful contestants, it's really all about celebrating the work which home chefs do. It's their place in the sun. Our sponsors have given these Fable dark chocolate mousses, which our contestants are going to incorporate in their recipes. Big thanks to ITC Master Chef who gave all the frozen products which are used today. The fries, the kebabs, the chicken fingers. So they're using the Swiss frozen parathas. And I'm a big fan of frozen parathas.
I've always believed in the power of the home kitchen. And I think as home chefs, the strengths are completely different. The strengths are the boutique nature of it. The strengths are the emotion that you put into it.
I like the idea of the home chefs because indeed you guys were my saviors during the lockdown because I live alone and there was no food in the house. But there were all you people who were making wonderful food and I was ordering and sending and everything. So great.
And it's from their heart to ours, their home to ours. So I celebrate homepreneurs.
I wanted to congratulate all of you. It's not easy cooking offsite, especially complex dishes like you guys made. Congratulations, it was very tough.
And everybody gets presents from Burrowsell and
There are going to be 4 mentor sessions and the entire idea is that to get people who are sort of experts in their subject to come and share practical tips with home chefs to help them grow their business.
So I'm going to talk about food photography.
Session on branding.
I'm here to answer everything as openly and honestly as possible. Instagram is evolving constantly and the use of hashtags also keeps changing.
Now the second factor was the menu designing. Many people, they scatter themselves with different cuisines and, they just want to do everything. So I believe that we should focus on our motive.